How to tag and organize your assets within Uplifted. Click Tag Management to manage and organize tags in one place. Choose New Category to keep related tags organized in one group. Type in the category name. Click Add to save the new category and make it available for tagging items. Click Add Tags. Name your tag. Click Save to confirm and store the tag assignment for the selected items. At this stage, you've created a manual tag. To enable automatic tagging, just click the tag you created and convert it into an AI tag. Simply click Auto Tag with AI to activate automatic tagging. Add details in the description section to explain the tag's purpose and usage. Click Save to finalize and save all changes made to the tag and its settings. Now, every time you upload an asset that matches your tags, it will be automatically labeled. Organizing your assets has never been easier.